everyone, good morning. Nagpunta kami kanina sa Pinoy shop, and then hindi ko inaakala na nabunot nila yung pangalan ko. It's supposed to be for Christmas, but ngayon ko lang siya natanggap. And ito na siya. Tada! Yan. Ano kayang nasa loob nito? Hindi ko alam eh. Wait. Tingnan natin kung ano yung nasa loob. Wow! Look at that! Wow! Thank you! Thank you for the gift. At saka dun sa binunot yung pangalan ko. Maraming salamat. What is this? Oh, I have tortillas, tostillas, nacho cheese flavor, and what else we have? We have bread pan. We have instant pancit bihon. Mamasitas palabok and sinigang sour soup mix. Wow. Instant pancit bihon, chicken gisado flavor. Wow. Thank you so much, Ate Tess, for the gift. And dun sa nagbunot sa akin, maraming salamat. Kasi, I'm one of the lucky person na nakakuha ng gift. Ayan. Kasi lagi akong bumibili kay Ate Tess ng mga food drinks sa Pinoy shop. So, maraming salamat. Nabunot din ako sa wakas. Ayan. Mga nakuha ko and everything. At yung yung mga hindi ko magagamit like this one. Ayan. Kasi single size siya. So, ipamimigay natin siya sa box. Ayan. Ilalagay natin siya sa balikbayang box. Para sa ganon, somebody else's could use this one. Mapakinabangan ba? Diba? Kasi, sayang naman kung hindi. Diba? So, ayan. And, I would not give it to someone, this one here, kasi, they could buy it on themselves. Pero pagka sa Pilipinas kasi, dahil sa hirap ng buhay, wala silang masyadong pera, pambili. So, we will give it to somebody else. So, ayan. Kung sino yung Kung sino yung may gusto nito, ayan. Just let me know. Pagka nailagay ko siya sa box, just let me know. Para kung kaninong box ko siya mailalagay. Ayan. So, just PM me. Kung sino yung mauuna, siya yung pagbibigyan natin. Like I said, it's a single, it's a queen size. Sorry, it's a queen size. Oh, it's not single, queen size. My bad. Ayan. So, it's a queen size, guys. So, kung sino yung may gusto, just let me know. Para sa ganun, maibigay ko sa inyo. Ayan. So, maraming salamat po kay Ate Tess na may-ari ng Pinoy Shop. And of course, doon sa binunot yung aking pangalan. Ayan. We are the one of the lucky person who won something in there. So, thank you so much. I love you all. Mama Chup Chup. Mama Chup Chup. Bye. Just let me know who wants that one. Comment. So that way, who's the first person that will comment in here in the comment section, we will give it to that. Bye. See you later. Keep safe, everyone. Take care. Bye-bye. Bye.
Tell me pretty lies, look me in the face. Tell me that you love me, even if it's fake.